Here we have a very special package from Suncycle, and inside, today at MOBHouse Punboxing, we have something that is so duckling adorable that it will get your RGBeak wet. Also, I'll sing you a song with sun in it, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Dark may be all I need. In darkness she is all I see. At MOBHouse, we are always at the cutting edge of technology. If you want to see more content like this, please follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Sha, this is not a banana, you don't have to peel it. It's a box, okay? Now let's open it up. There's a foam there because Suncycle takes care of their packaging very seriously. So now it's time to pull out. That's what she said. Get your head out of the gutter, bro. This is YouTube, not Pornhub. So there seems to be a steady decline in size when it comes to the Ducky 1-2. Because this thing is definitely smaller than the last one. This is the 1-2 mini. That's why we got Sha. She's the mini me. Her hands will make this thing look gigantic. You know, if you're a beta male, you definitely know what I mean. Open it up. So nice. Ta-da! So you can see you're gonna remove this shield that protects the keyboard and remove the sleeve that protects your virginity of keyboardness. Haha, didn't see that coming, did you? So we show the keyboard that is black and white, some orange. I'll tease you first. I will not show you the whole keyboard now. If not, you click away, then you won't watch that. The instruction manual is unneeded, so throw away. And now we have the warranty slip. You don't need this too because Ducky keyboard's very solid, won't spoil one, don't need warranty. And then we have the cable and then the accessories, which is the keycaps. So firstly, we have the cable, which Sha didn't remove the cap, so I don't know what cable it is. She think I got X-ray vision, I'm not Superman, huh? And then we have the keycaps. This is very beautiful double shot PBT keycap. It's so strong that you will never wear off like your morning boner. However, if you can see there, there's a Barbie, so don't touch it with your hands. Use the keycap puller to reveal the Cherry MX Speed Silver Switch. So speedy that when we touch it, color also run here and there. See or not? Color. So as you can see, this is very orange and crispy like seal yolk. Very nice, very punk. And down there you have the pig that is running towards the sun to become seal yolk. And the bottom you have this thing that can let you prop it up so you can sit there, stand there like a king, and the hole is USB-C. So this is the Ducky 1-2 Mini RGB 60% Cherry MX mechanical keyboard. Price of 419 ringgit, which is a super cheap buy. Not cheap. Don't be shy, I know you're here to see my Ducky keyboard. And it's very Barbie, very harambe. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more content like this. And we'll see you in the next one.